Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Dear students, as in the previous lecture we have discussed about the addition of the decimals. Now we are going to start the subtraction of the decimals. So our next revision topic is subtraction of decimals. For subtraction of decimals, the procedure is same as the addition of the decimals. So I will revise the procedure quickly. So for the subtraction of decimal, firstly you have to check the decimals whether the decimals are like or unlike. If decimals are unlike, then firstly you will convert the unlike decimals into like decimals by putting 0, because the place value is nothing, so that's why we are using 0 just to complete the decimal places. So let's start with the help of the example. In this example we have two numbers. First one is 619.7 minus 25.145. So let's start. Firstly we'll convert this horizontal form into vertical form. So we have 619.7, and when we will put the second number, we will put the decimal. Firstly, first digit is 1, second digit is 4, and third digit is 5. In the left side we have 5 and 2, and then subtraction. Convert it into sum form. This is the vertical form of the sum. Now as you can clearly see that our places are missing, so this one is unlike decimal. So firstly we will convert it into like decimal by putting zeros. Why we are using 0? Because this one is our tens place, this one is our hundredth place, and this one is our thousandth place. And ones, tens and hundreds. So our hundredth place is 0, our tenth place is 0, our places are missing, that's why we are using 0. In this first number 619.7, we have 7 tenths, 0 hundreds and 0 thousandths. And second number we have 25.145. now this one is the like decimal. 1 2 3, 3 decimal place, 1 2 3, 3 decimal place. So let's start the subtraction. Now 0 minus 5 impossible, because 0 is smaller than 5. We will take the borrow from the next place. As our next place is again 0, that's why we will complete the value of this place by taking the borrow from the next place. So we will take the borrow from 7, it will be 10, and the left number will be 6. Now it will become 10. Now we can take the borrow from 10. So when 10 will give the borrow, the left number will be 9. Now it's 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5 decimal. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now 1 is less than 2. So we will take the borrow from 6. 6 will give the borrow, it will become 11, and left number will be 5. 11 minus 2 is 9, and 5 will be as it is. So our answer is 594.555. So 619.7 minus 25.145 is equal to 594.555. That is our answer. I will also solve this example with the help of place value chart. So let's start. Our first number is 619.7. So firstly we will put decimal. Right side digit is 7, left side digit is 9, 1 and 6. Come to the second number. Firstly again decimal. First digit is 1, second digit is 4, third digit is 5. Come to the left side. First digit is 5 and second digit is 2, and then minus sign. So from the place value chart, it's very clear that our two places are missing. In this first number, our 100 place is missing, so we will put 0. Our 1000 value is missing, so we will put 0. Or it's 3 decimal place, it's also the 3 decimal place. Now we can easily subtract the number. So 0 minus 5, as I told you, 0 minus 5 is impossible. Take the borrow, and we cannot take the borrow from 0. So firstly we will take the borrow from 7, and then it will become 10. When 7 will give borrow, it will be 6. 10 will give the borrow to 0. We can take the borrow. So when 10 will give the borrow, the left number will be 9. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now it's 9. 9 minus 5, decimal under the decimal. 9 minus 5 is 4. 1 minus 2 is impossible. 1 is less than 2. So take the borrow from 6, and left number will be 5. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9 and 5. So answer is 594.555. So you can do it by like this, or you can also use the place value chart. Clear? Now come to the second example. I will solve one more example for you. In second example, we have 732.11 minus 28.932. 732.11. So to put the second digit number, firstly we will put the decimal. Right side 9, 3, 2, and the left side is 8 and 2 minus sign. And this one is the vertical form for the solution of the subtraction. So it will be easy to put the places. This one is the 10th place. This one is the 100th place. This one is the 1000th place. Come to the left side, ones, tens and hundreds. As this one is the unlike decimal, because this one is 2 decimal place and this one is 1, 2, 3 decimal place. So to convert it into like decimal, we will put 0 in the place of 1000. Let's start the subtraction. 0 minus 2 is impossible. So take the borrow from 1. When 1 will give the borrow to 0, then 100 place will be 0. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 0 minus 3 is again impossible, because 0 is less than 3. So this 10th place 1 will give the borrow to 10, and this will become 0. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 0. Now it's 0. 0 minus 9 is impossible. So we will take the borrow from this ones place. So this ones place, when give the borrow, it will become 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Decimal place. When 2 will give the borrow to this 0, left number will be 1. 1 is again less than 8, so 1 will take the borrow from 3, and the left number will be 2. When 3 will give the borrow to 1, it will become 11. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and 7 as it is. So 703.178. So 732.11 minus 28.932 is equal to 703.178. That is our required answer. So again, same pattern, you can also solve this sum with the help of the place value chart. In the place value chart, firstly you will put the decimal, then come to the first number, that is 732.11. Firstly you will start from the right side, then come to the left side. 2, 3, 7. Second number, firstly put the decimal. Right side is 9, 3, 2, and the left side is 8 and 2, then minus sign. As our decimals are unlike, that's why we will put 0 in the 1000 place to balance the decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the subtraction procedure is totally like this, as I explained you before. So here I will just directly put the answer. 0 minus 2 is impossible. We will take the borrow, it will become 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. When 1 will give the borrow, left number will be 0. 0 will not be subtracted from 3. Impossible, take the borrow from 1, left number will be 0. 10 minus 3 is 7. Again 0 is less than 9, take the borrow from 2, left number will be 1. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Decimal will be under the decimal. 1 minus 8 is impossible, take the borrow from 3, it will become 11 and left number will be 2. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 7 will be as it is. So answer is 703.178. Clear? So students, I hope so you have learned about the subtraction of the decimals very clearly, and this one is was just the revision for you people. So it's the time for your practice. So watch the video carefully, follow the instructions and solve the assigned task as per the given pattern. Solve the assignment by yourself, and if you have any problem, you will have any problem again in the subtraction of the decimal, you can ask me and you can watch the video again. Thank you.